Hello friends, in this video let us see how to use this TrueView Oximeter. The brand is TrueView, but again most of the brands has the same way of operating. So whatever may be the brand, the oximeter is gonna look like this. So see here, so this is the oximeter, and so this is the label behind, and usually the battery compartment is here. Over here you'll have to place the batteries. Most of these products does not comes with a battery, so you'll have to buy these batteries, and most probably it will be a AAA battery. So two AAA batteries should be enough to power it on. And so this is like this, so you'll have to just push it, and you have these sensors over here inside. So that is where you'll have to place the fingers. So this is how you have to keep it. Okay, and now let us turn on. Okay, now let me keep my finger. So once I keep the finger, it will start to take the readings. Okay, now it says that my oxygen level is 97, and the heartbeat is 103, 104. Pulse rate is a bit high now. Oxygen level is 98. So this is how you'll have to check. Again, when you take it out, you will get this message that says finger out. So that's it. And most it doesn't comes with an on or off switch. It will turn off automatically when it is not used. Only to turn it on, you'll have to press the switch. That's it. And this TrueView pulse oximeter can be also used to this button can be used to rotate the screen. So you simply push it, it will start rotating. The screen adjustment will change. So you press you do a single click, it will rotate. See here. Okay, and if you press and hold it, it will go to settings. So here as of now it says alarm is on, pulse beep is on, SpO2 low level is 94. Sorry, it's turned off. Okay, and pulse rate high level is 130, low rate is 60. That's it. So it is a configurable parameter. You can configure it anytime. I mean, you can configure it according to your wish. And so how to edit? So to edit, you have to just press and hold it. That's it. Simple. You do a single click, it will move to the next option. You just press and hold it. It will change the values. That's it. So we have got only one button. So all the settings reside in that button. That's it. So this is how you'll use an oximeter. It's a very simple device, and when it is turned on, it will sense the finger immediately. Okay, you'll be able to see the light over here. Currently it is, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but actually yeah. So that will be a light which senses the pulse beat as well as the oxygen level. So that's it. That's a quick unboxing of pulse oximeter. So the MRP quoted is 2000 rupees for this product. Okay, it is see here the MRP is rupees 2000, but again it is available for a price of rupees 1000 in Amazon as well as in most of the offline stores. Right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.